it burnt ends. Here's another one of my favorite. Pork belly burnt ends. It's going to be slowly smoked and sauced to perfection. It doesn't get much better than this. Let's get it started. Okay, so we've got this beautiful 5 pounds of pork belly. What we're going to do first is we're going to cube it. We're going to slice it both ways. And then we'll put our rub on it. It helps to have a nice sharp knife for this. This is my nice trusty brisket knife that works incredible for this. I love pork belly burnt ends. If you've never tried it, you have to do this. And if you have done it, do it again. Alright, so I've got these beautiful cubes of pork belly right here. We're going to put on a rub. Grab your favorite rub for pork, whatever you want to use. This one has a little ancho chili in it. I love this on pork. And just thoroughly coat it. I'm going to put a little oil in here too when I mix it around so it'll stick to these. And then just mix these up, get it on all sides. Okay, now this is optional. I always spritz my burnt ends with 50-50 apple cider vinegar and water. We're gonna give them a quick spritz. They're probably only about a half hour away from being ready to put in the barbecue sauce. They look and smell incredible. Oh man, I can't wait to eat those. That is barbecue candy. Okay, these do look incredible. The taste is already amazing on these. What they'll get when we put them back in is they'll get so tender and so moist. And we're going to use our barbecue sauce. We're going to have butter. And honey. Oh, I love the honey on this. This is all going to get covered up and sent back into the smoker. And finish cooking. And when these come out, they will be incredible. Okay, so we took the pork bellies off. These burnt ends went back on for 90 minutes after we wrapped it. They're ready to eat. They smell incredible. Look at that, the sauce. And that's my spicy barbecue sauce with the honey and the butter. All that smell coming through. These look incredible. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is a plate full of goodness. These have been smoked and sauced to perfection. I cannot wait to dive in any longer. Oh my goodness. If you've never tried pork belly burnt ends, you have to. If you haven't had them in a while, remake them. These are incredible, just barbecue candy in my opinion. The flavor from that rub and the spicy barbecue sauce, the hints of the honey and the butter that they soaked in. Absolutely incredible. Give them a try. Thanks so much for joining me on this fun cook. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Everyone have a great week, and remember, spread love through barbecue.